Hello everyone, welcome back to another how-to tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to disable startup programs in Windows 11. There are currently two ways to disable startup programs in Windows 11. The first one is through Settings, and the second is via the Task Manager. I would argue the first method is for casual users, and the second method is for more advanced users. It's up to you to decide which method is best for you. Left-click on the Windows Start menu icon, and then click on the Settings icon. You can also open Settings by pressing the Windows plus I key on your keyboard. In the Settings window, click Apps from the left-hand menu. At the bottom, click on Startup. To disable an application, turn the toggle switch off. Once you're finished, the program will no longer start automatically when you start Windows 11. Open Windows Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape keys on your computer's keyboard at the same time. Task Manager can be accessed by right-clicking the Start icon or pressing Windows plus X keys and selecting Task Manager. Navigate to Startup Apps tab and click it. Right-click on the application you wish to disable and select Disable. Click on Disable. Once you're finished, the program will no longer start automatically when you start Windows 11. You have been watching a how-to tutorial by Aspiration. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click or tap that subscribe button if you want to receive notifications about every new video. You can also turn on the notification bell by clicking or tapping it. You can also leave a comment down below. Your ideas and suggestions are always welcome. Until the next time, take care of yourself.